Welcome back to Crafted with Studio, where we bring your woodworking dreams to life. Today, we're diving into the magical world of wood carving. Have you ever wanted to create stunning designs that reflect the beauty of nature? If so, you're in the right place. In this episode, titled Wood Carving Wonders, Creating Nature-Themed Designs, we'll guide you through the process of transforming an ordinary piece of wood into a breathtaking work of art inspired by the natural world. From intricate leaf patterns to charming animal figures, you'll discover how to embody nature in your carvings. So grab your tools and let's get started. First, let's talk about wood selection. The type of wood you choose can impact not only the final look of your piece but also the ease of carving it. Some popular choices for carving include basswood, butternut, and pine. Basswood is especially loved by carvers due to its fine grain and softness, making it easier to work with for intricate designs. Before you begin, take a moment to consider what types of designs you'd like to create. Are you leaning toward floral patterns, animal forms, or perhaps something abstract? Whatever it may be, gather your wood, and let's begin crafting. Now that you've chosen your wood, let's talk tools. For our nature-themed designs, you'll need a few essential carving tools. Carving knives, great for detailed work and shaping your designs. Gouges, these are fantastic for removing larger portions of wood and creating depth. V-tools, perfect for adding intricate details and fine lines. Don't forget to have a carving glove on hand for safety. As you begin carving, remember that patience is key. Take your time, and let your creativity flow. With your wood and tools ready, it's time to conceptualize your design. You might want to sketch your idea on paper first or draw directly onto the wood surface with a pencil. Consider incorporating elements like leaves, flowers, or even wildlife. Why not carve a serene forest scene or a playful bird in flight? The possibilities are endless. As you create your design, think about how you can highlight the natural features of the wood. The grain, knots, and texture can all play a crucial role in enhancing the beauty of your carving. Now it's time for the fun part, carving. Start by carefully removing the outer layer of wood, following your design lines. Use your carving knife for precision, and switch to your gouges for larger areas. Always carve away from your body and keep your fingers clear of the blade. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Each mark tells a story, and it can often lead you to a new creative direction. As you progress, take breaks to step back and assess your work. This can help you determine if you need to adjust any parts of your design. Once you're satisfied with your carving, it's time for the finishing touches. Sanding is crucial to create a smooth surface. Use fine grit sandpaper to gently smooth over your design, paying attention to details. After sanding, consider applying a natural oil finish to enhance the wood's grain and protect your carving. Products like linseed oil or beeswax can add a beautiful shine while preserving the wood. And there you have it, a nature-themed wood carving that you can proudly display in your home. We hope this video inspired you to try your hand at wood carving. Remember, every piece tells a story, so let your creativity flow and don't be afraid to experiment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more woodworking wonders. We'd love to see your creations, so feel free to tag us on social media. Until next time, keep crafting and stay connected with nature.